So it's running the get screen method of the card validated state. So after we get the amount of money from the user, we have to shift to the cash withdrawn state. Okay, which means we have to update ATM state of the ATM. So to do that, we need a reference for ATM, right? And inside the constructor, ATM equals current ATM, because we are passing the current ATM from the constructor, right? So we can update the state by calling the ATM dot set ATM state, right? To set the ATM state for the cash withdrawn state, we have to create a constructor for the cash withdrawn state. Okay, here is the cash withdrawn class, and I extended the cash withdrawn from ATM state and implemented the unimplemented methods. Let's create a constructor. Public cash withdrawn, right? Let's pass 3 arguments: ATM current ATM, and ATM state previous state, and double amount, okay. So in the card validated states, we can now pass a new cash withdrawn object to the internal state of the ATM. New cash withdrawn state ATM this and amount. It autofills the arguments. So we are passing the user input money amount, and this is state as previous state, and ATM as the ATM object. And after get the amount of money from the user, we can call the update state method. Okay, update state, right? Which means after get the amount of money, we shift to the cash withdrawn state, because the update state method is setting the internal state of the ATM class into a cash withdrawn state object. So inside the cash withdrawn state, there is a get screen method. So let's run, right? Yes, so out. Okay, withdrawn, right, of money. So this will display withdrawn some amount of money. Okay, let's create some references. ATM, and double amount, right? And this dot ATM equals to current ATM, and this dot amount equals to amount, right? So when the object is created, it will assign this value to this variable, so we can display the amount, right? Amount of money. Okay, let's try to run this again. Run file. Right, please enter pin number 1234. Please enter amount 2000, right? Withdrawn 2000 amount of money. Okay, because it's a loop, it will print again and again. Okay, after the cash is withdrawn, we have to set the internal state of the ATM again into an object of initial state. So we have to call the update state method, right? Just copy and paste update state, right? So in the update state method, we have to call the ATM dot set ATM state into a new initial state object, right? It autofills the argument, so we will pass the ATM object as ATM. So let's run this program. Run file. Okay, it asking for pin number 1234 and please enter amount 2500, right? Withdrawn 2500 done money, and again it says please enter pin number, which means it again shift to the initial state. Okay, let's completely run the program one time. Run file. So our validate pin number is 1234. Enter another validate number 2345. Okay, it again asks him for the pin number, so we have to enter 1234. Okay, then it will ask for the amount 3000, right? Again withdrawn 3000 of money, please enter pin number 1234, right? Again please enter amount. So this is run as a loop. Okay, so here is the 1234 our valid pin number. So if only pin number equals to 1234, we can shift to the validate state. So in the ATM class, if when the ATM state changes, the object of the ATM changes its behavior, and the main logic is break down into several parts, and these parts are implemented as concrete state classes, and this is the example of a state pattern, and I hope you got something, and good luck.